8 Muslim-majority countries, including Pakistan, have strongly condemned Israel's decision to pass a law introducing the death penalty as the default punishment for Palestinians convicted of deadly attacks in military courts. The joint statement was issued by the foreign ministers of Pakistan, Turkiye, Egypt, Indonesia, Jordan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, and was shared by Pakistan's Foreign Office. The countries criticized what they described as the Israeli occupying powers' enactment of legislation allowing the imposition of the death penalty in the occupied West Bank, warning that its application against Palestinians represents a dangerous escalation. According to the statement, the ministers expressed concern over what they called increasingly discriminatory Israeli practices that entrench a system of apartheid and deny the inalienable rights and existence of the Palestinian people in the occupied Palestinian territory. They said the legislation could further exacerbate tensions and undermine regional stability, particularly due to what they described as its discriminatory application against Palestinian prisoners. The ministers also voiced deep concern about the conditions of Palestinians held in Israeli detention, citing credible reports of abuses, including torture, inhumane and degrading treatment, starvation, and denial of basic rights. They said these practices reflect a broader pattern of violations against Palestinians. The statement reaffirmed opposition to what the ministers termed racially discriminatory and aggressive policies targeting Palestinians and called for accountability as well as stronger international efforts to uphold stability and prevent further deterioration of the situation. Under the law passed by Israel's parliament earlier this week, Palestinians in the West Bank convicted by military courts of carrying out deadly attacks classified as terrorism will face death by hanging as the default sentence. Because Palestinians in the territory are automatically tried in Israeli military courts, critics argue the measure creates a separate and harsher legal track compared to Israeli civilian courts, where judges may impose either the death penalty or life imprisonment for similar offenses. The law does not apply retroactively, but critics say it highlights unequal justice systems. The legislation has also drawn concern from Western allies, including the European Union, Germany, and Canada. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has reportedly asked for some elements of the law to be softened amid growing international criticism.